Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essential items so the troubleshooting is effective. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS, because many wallet and card issues stem from outdated system components. Next, open Wallet and confirm the Apple Card is present and you're signed into the correct Apple ID. If not, sign in now. Finally, verify network connectivity. Switch Wi-Fi and cellular off and on, and toggle airplane mode briefly to refresh network registration before proceeding. Once done with basics, dive into account and wallet actions that resolve most middle faults. You should sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh account tokens. This often rebuilds secure connections. If the card still misbehaves, remove and re-add it in Wallet that reinstalls the card profile. Also check the card status for freezes, pending balances, or missing payments. Addressing a frozen account or an unpaid balance usually restores full functionality, so follow prompts to unfreeze or pay any due amount. To finish, perform the final restorative steps that clear residual issues. Restart your iPhone to ensure all wallet services reload, and verify Wallet is set as the default payment method for Apple Pay if needed. Confirm billing and contact details match your bank records so authorization checks succeed. If the card still won't work, collect screenshots of errors and recent transaction attempts, then contact Apple support or Goldman Sachs. Tell them the steps you took and provide diagnostics so they can escalate and resolve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.